If you've been locked out of your Gmail account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the process of resetting your password and recovering your account. Step 1. Go to the Gmail sign-in page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail sign-in page. Click on the Forgot Password link located below the password entry field. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Gmail account. Make sure to enter it correctly, then click Next to proceed. Step 3. Verify your identity. You will be prompted to verify your identity. Depending on your account settings, you may receive a verification code via SMS, email, or through an authentication app. Follow the instructions provided to receive and enter the code. Step 4. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be given the option to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it by entering it again. Click Next to save your new password. Step 5. Review account recovery options. After resetting your password, review your account recovery options to ensure they are up to date. This includes checking your recovery email and phone number. This step will help you avoid being locked out in the future. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your login credentials and regain access to your Gmail account. Remember to keep your recovery options updated to prevent future lockouts.